there, it's Amelia bringing you another Microsoft PowerPoint video. This video explains how to insert media in your slideshow, including video, audio, and screen recording. Let's get started. So from the Insert tab in the Media group, let's take a look at the video pull down. In 2013 and 2016, the options are improved in earlier versions. For instance, PowerPoint 2007, it's going to say a movie instead of video in the media group. Anyway, let's go ahead and select this online video option, and you're going to see that you have two video options here. Online video allows you to search for a YouTube video, and if you do decide to paste the YouTube video or embed the code, you just want to make sure that you comply with the terms of use policy. And the second option in the video pull down is video on my PC. So for this, once I select that, you want to navigate to the folder containing your video saved on your local drive. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select an MP4 file that I have and click Insert. Now, once a video is added to your presentation, a video object displays, including this play bar at the bottom. So you can resize the video window as needed. So for example, I want to make it just a little bit smaller to fit in the center of my screen here. And if you decide that you don't want it with the video object selected, you just hit the delete key. And if I double click on the video, there's a new playback tab now available. This has quite a bit of options for you for editing your video. It's not as robust as an external say video editor, but you can certainly click play to play your video and add a bookmark. You could trim your video by specifying start and end times. You could even add a fade at the beginning and end of your video and adjust the volume. And you have some other options in here. One that I want to point out that is pretty important is a loop until stopped. So if you did have some kind of a presentation, let's just say you're a sales rep and you have a presentation at an expo or something, and you want to create a video that's looping, just select this checkbox and then you can just loop your video in your presentation. There's also options to insert closed captions as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and move to another slide and insert audio. So again, from the Insert tab in the Media group, I'll go ahead and click Audio, and I have the choice of inserting audio from my PC or recording audio. So I'm going to go ahead and select audio on my PC, and I'm going to select an MP3 file that I have here and click Insert. And once you insert audio, you're going to see a audio object on your slide, which you could move around. And again, the playback tab at the top is available with the audio object selected. It has a lot of the same options that I just mentioned, and you can also set your audio to play in the background and set the audio clip to continuously play across all slides while you're playing your presentation. Now also in the Insert tab in audio, you can record audio. So when you record audio, this little dialog box appears. You could name your sound, and when you're ready to record, then you would just click the little red circle here to record from your microphone, and then when you're finished, you can just click stop, and that would insert the audio clip into that particular slide. And next, I'd like to review how to insert a screen recording, and for this I'm going to go ahead and insert a new slide. And actually, I don't need any placeholders here, so I'm going to delete these placeholders. So from the Insert tab in the Media group, you're going to go ahead and click Screen Recording. And when you do, you'll want to have your window open in the background for what you're going to be recording. So what happens is you'll see a box here with these options. So the record button is dim until you select an area that you want to record. So let's say I want to go ahead and record a demonstration of these Google Chrome apps. So I'm going to go ahead and select the area that I'd like to record, and then release the mouse when you have selected your area. And when you're ready to record, you would just click the record button and then begin recording. And it will record all your screen activity in your selected area and your voice as well. And to stop the recording, you would click stop here. And I'll go ahead and I'm going to just record just a few seconds. Now when you start recording, it will give you that countdown. And this is a test, and this is a test. And you'll notice that the little box disappeared. So another way that you could stop the recording would be hold the Windows key down and hit Shift Q. Now let's return back to our slide, and you'll notice that the media is now inserted on my slide, and maybe I'd want to resize that just a little bit to fit better on my slide. Let me just go ahead and play that. It's just a test, but I'm going to go ahead and play it. That countdown. And this is a test, and this is a test. Okay, so that's all there is to it. It's very handy, and I love this new feature in the newer versions of PowerPoint, again starting in 2013, to record activity quickly and create a quick demo with audio in the newer versions of PowerPoint. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.